Hi boys and girls. I hope that you are excited for this art project. It is going to take us a little bit of time, so if you don't finish it today, it is okay and you can finish it tomorrow. You're going to need 2 paper lunch bags. You're going to need a stapler just to staple those together. And then you're going to need these pieces cut out. So this is going to be the nose, and I call that the gobbler. I don't remember the real name for it. Eyes, and then however many feathers you want. I'm choosing, oops, you can't see. I'm choosing to do 2 of each kind of feather. And then you need all of your pages cut out. Okay, so if you don't have that, go ahead and pause the video so that way you can get all of your pages and your pieces cut out. After you have your pages and pieces cut out, you're going to take one of your lunch bags, and here's the open end. The other lunch bag, the open end, is going to go the other way. So I have a closed end to an open end, a closed end to an open end. Then we're going to line them up and fold them in half. So it should look like this. Sorry. You're going to put 2 staples right on the edge. Like this. Okay, the front cover you get to decorate, so you can put your eyes and your nose, and I really do think that this is called like a beard or something. I don't know. And your gobbler, however you'd like it. Okay, so you can glue your face onto the front of the cover, and then when you're done you could color, or if you wanted to color first before you glue, that's fine. So we're going to open up our book, a little crease in it so our pages stay open. On this side you're going to glue this page, Thankful Turkey, this book belongs to, and then you're going to write your name there. And again, I'm using a glue stick because it's less messy and less wet. I don't really like liquid glue unless I'm using glitter. But whatever you have will work. If you're using liquid glue, you just might want to take a little bit more time to let your glue dry in between pieces. Okay, so there's my page. On this next page, we're gluing 2 pages. So you're looking for At Home I'm Thankful For and one of the short word pages. We're going to use this short page that has all the lines. I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to put glue on the whole back side. I want this whole page glued down. Okay, and then I'm going to glue it onto my book. Okay. Before I glue this one, I'm going to fold along the solid line. I just like to have my creases in first. So I just made it have a little L-shaped crease it. Alright, now I'm going to put glue along this top side where it says glue here. And then I'm going to line this page up and put it right on the top. Okay, on this page you're going to draw your picture of what you're thankful for at home. And then you're going to flip it up and you're going to write 2 sentences. to go along with what you're thankful for. I am thankful for, and then tell me why. Tell me what, and then tell me why. Go ahead and flip that page. And then same thing with these next two pages. Okay, so you're going to glue all of the back side of the one with those lines. And put it on the next page. And then I'm choosing to fold my picture page first, just so that way when I go to flip it up, it's already ready to go. Then I'm going to put glue on the top, line my page up. At school, I'm thankful for picture goes here, words go here. 2 sentences. What are you thankful for and why? The next page, same thing with the line page, and then outside I'm thankful for. I just got glue all over my desk. Less messy, right? All right. Then I'm going to put a crease in this page. Put glue on the top. And then remember, your picture goes in the square, and then your sentences go on the lines. What are you thankful for outside and why? Turn the page. The last one says talents I'm thankful for. And remember, a talent is something that you can do. If you can sing, if you can do a magic trick, if you can play an instrument, if you can read really, really well, if you can play video games really well. What is something that you can do that you are thankful for? Okay. I'm going to put a crease in this page. And in this page. And okay, so your picture goes here, and then your lines go here. And then on the back side of the book, I didn't glue my face down, so your face would go here. It might be easier to color your feathers first, but you're just going to put a little bit of glue, put a little bit of glue on the book or on the feather, and then it goes right at the top on the back, so that way you can see it in the front. And you can do the feathers however you'd like and add color to them too. Okay, so your feathers go on the back of the book, and then your face goes on the front of the book, and you have a turkey book of all the things you are thankful for. And that is your art project today. And I can't wait to see all of the things that you are thankful for.